International Anti-Corruption Day 2025 is observed on December 9 to raise awareness about the harmful effect of corruption. It aims to promote transparency, integrity and accountability in governments and organizations. The day encourages citizens to participate in anti-corruption efforts and report unethical practices. It is celebrated worldwide through campaigns, seminars, and public initiatives. The 11th session of the Conference of the States Parties to the UN Convention Against Corruption UN Anti-Corruption Conference is scheduled to be held in Doha, Qatar from 15 to 19 December 2025. International Anti-Corruption Day 2025 theme. The International Anti-Corruption Day 2025 theme, Uniting with Youth Against Corruption, Shaping Tomorrow's Integrity, highlights the vital role of young people in building a transparent and accountable future. It encourages collective action, empowering youth to stand against corruption in all forms. International Anti-Corruption Day 2025 objectives. The main objective of the International Anti-Corruption Day 2025 are raise awareness, educate the public about the negative impact of corruption on society and the economy, promote integrity, encourage ethical behavior in governance, businesses and communities, strengthen legal frameworks, support the implementation of anti-corruption laws and conventions, foster transparency, enhance openness in decision-making and financial transactions, encourage citizen engagement, motivate individuals to report corruption and participate in anti-corruption initiatives, support global cooperation, facilitate international collaboration to tackle corruption across borders. Anti-corruption laws in India. India has a strong legal framework to combat corruption and promote transparency in governance. These laws target corrupt practices by public officials, corporate fraud and financial crimes. Anti-corruption laws in India include Prevention of Corruption Act 1988, defines corruption and prescribes penalty for offences committed by public servants and individuals giving bribes, ensures accountability of government officials in public service. Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 replaces the Indian Penal Code 1860 and modernizes provisions related to corruption, bribery and public misconduct. Introduces reform to simplify investigation and enforcement processes. Lokpal and Lokayukt Act 2013 establishes anti-corruption ombudsman at the center and state levels, addresses grievances related to corruption and ensures public accountability in governance. Whistleblower Protection Act 2014 promotes transparency by safeguarding individuals who report corrupt practices, encourages citizens and employees to expose misconduct without fear of retaliation. Additional legal measures. Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002 PMLA targets money laundering and tracks illegal financial transactions. Benami Transaction Prohibition Act 1988 prohibits properly transaction under fictitious names to prevent tax evasion and corruption. Black money, undisclosed foreign income and assets, and imposition of tax Act 2015 addresses unaccounted money and penalizes individuals holding undisclosed assets. Corruption Perceptions Index. The Corruption Perception Index is published annually by Transparency International. It ranks countries based on perceived levels of public sector corruption on a scale of 0, highly corrupt, to 100, very clean. In 2024, India ranked 96 out of 180 countries with a score of 38, showing a slight decline from its 2023 ranking of 93rd and a score of 39. The top position in 2024 was held by Denmark, recognized for its strong transparency and low corruption levels.